Dumbbell Cuban press, Y negatives. So this is a shoulder activation exercise in the warm-up as well, so we need to grab a set of light weights. We've got, again, two kg dumbbells in this video. So we're going to be putting together a few different exercises into one movement. We're going to start off with a high pull with both arms. So here we're focusing on scapular elevation, so you need to elevate your shoulder blades as high as you can, and then you're going to rotate your shoulder blades. Extra rotation in the shoulders, so 90 degrees in your elbows maintained, and then you're going to press. Cover your ears with your arms at the top, shrug your shoulders all the way. And then from there you're going to come down into a slow Y negative, slowly depressing the shoulder blades. Again, go for a high pull, extra rotation, press, and then come down into a slow negative every time.